Hey everybody, what's going on today on this Thursday? No, Thursday? No, Friday. So what's up, y'all? I'm having fries and cheeseburgers. And guess what? I bought these from the dollar store. No, Family Dollar. I know they had 99-cent burgers. I said, you know what? I do a mukbang on it. Keep it right there. So, how's everybody been doing? Got my ketchup, mustard. Of course, ketchup is not going on my burgers. I don't do ketchup on burgers. Got me some pickles and mustard. Let me put this in here. And my course, got me some good old lemonade. I did not go live today. A simple fact, I had to, I gotta put me some pickles on here. I like cutting up my pickles. I don't like the pickles really in the, let me turn this around. Uh-oh. I feel like I'm about 88. I feel like I'm 80 years old. That's how much, I'm trying to get out there and get all that, what you call that? Leaves off the ground, off the, grass and stuff. I don't have to rake or nothing. It's just the idea. You're doing yard work, boy, would drain you. By the time I looked up, I like, oh, it's 3:54. I didn't realize I was out there that long. I like pickles, so I'm putting like four slices of pickles on mine. Because I swear, if I didn't have no pickle, I couldn't eat these burgers. But I got some ketchup for my fries. Yeah. You know what? That's gone. That's all right. Oh, no, forget it. I just go ahead and do this. Why not? Y'all want some fries? Get on it. You know what? I don't think I said my blessings. Did I say my blessings, guys? Cause I don't remember saying my blessings. I just say it again. It shouldn't hurt nothing. Oh no. I'm going to change my blessing. Amen, amen, amen. See if these things taste like. Yeah, I was trying to figure out how you supposed to cook these things. So I was about to put them in the oven. And I said, no, let me go ahead and read this. I said, wow, man, a microwave. I was hoping it didn't have to go in a microwave, but it did. It's not bad. It's not bad. I was hungry, boy. I just got out there outside in that yard work. Only got to do one more thing of yard work tomorrow to get the rest of the leaves up. I hope they stay gone. Do y'all like doing yard work? Let me know. Let me know. I don't like doing yard work. Oh, I'm trying to squeeze like this. Oh my God, I am so slow. I used to like mustard on my fries. I stopped doing that. Oh, this is so good. I did myself win-win on that one. I got tired of squeezing lemons, boy. I'm like, oh my God. Will this hurry up? What's this, cheese? Ooh. I don't like the cheese already. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I'm just hungry. I'm hungry and very, very sleepy. I'm ready to go to sleep already. It was so good, I didn't realize it was gone. I wish I had a milkshake. Oh, that's what I should have fixed myself instead of this. I could have made me some almond milkshake. A peanut butter milkshake would do it. These not bad. It's just too much bread, but it's not bad. Y'all want a bite? Here, take a bite. I want to take a bite. You want that side with the cheese? Go ahead and get it. Go ahead and get that. You want that? You Want that all right there? Come on. Why don't you take a bite of that? You want the pickle too? Go ahead and get it. Take a bite, bite, bite. Oh. My friend she was telling me, there's some blue ketchup. I'm not trying that. I don't want to do the green ketchup. Now they got blue. I ain't never seen no blue tomatoes. Oh, sorry, excuse me. I farted. My house. Y'all eating something? You do what you want to do. This is good. Now the next one I'm gonna take the bottom part off. The bread. I just don't like bread. I don't have to worry about buying these things no more. I know time soon anyway. I had drive with my friend. She was talking about we going to get McDonald's. I said, I want no McDonald's. If that's the case, then I buy a burger out this dollar store. I mean, Family Dollar. And that's what I did too. But I've been bought these, so I don't do McDonald's. And then DC called me out. I want to buy 4 Big Macs. I already like Big Macs. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, Big Macs. Ugh. I don't know what it is about that. Reason why I don't like that. All right. Just gotta come on. I can't. I want no more bread. This will work right here. Well, I got some romaine lettuce. I could have put that on and used that as bread. Just looking at the time. Once I get done doing this video, then I'm gonna watch a few other people's videos until I fall asleep. Yep. I don't want the bread. This cheese is weird. Nope. I was getting tired of eating the bread. Mm, mm, mm. Like, share, and comment. And make sure your notification bell is on when I upload a video. See y'all guys later. Peace. Adios, amigo.